Another thing that's important for poi mastery, and especially for opening you up to really moving your body, is the idea of jiggies. The idea of jiggies for me came right out of Tai Chi, because in Tai Chi, you don't move your arm, you move your body. And your arms just reflect how your bodies are moving. So my Tai Chi teacher kept showing me that it's not this, it's this. Right? Your hand might not move away from your sternum. It makes a circle, but it's not in relation to your body's moving. So as soon as I picked up poi, the same thing seemed very natural. Yeah, go ahead. You'll be famous. So once you get to poi crossing, you're crossing side to side. What you can do is, grab your hand with your other hand, pull them into your ribs, and slowly learn how that movement can come out of your body, not your arms. Because if you look at my hands aren't moving at all relative to my body. It's like I'm in a straitjacket. My hands are just on my sternum, but my body's pivoting, and that's controlling the poi. So if you can learn to do this forwards and backwards, that's really going to affect, on a very fundamental level, how you move with the poi, how you relate to the poi. And it's hugely important. The term jiggies comes from Arashi, who's been around in the poi world for a long time, offered a lot of wisdom into the poi world. When I was in Uber Poi in Scotland, I met him, and the word jiggies really stuck with me. Yeah. You can do two on this side, and see, I don't go like this. I just turn my body, and the poi comes with me. Boom. Boom. So just play with that. And anything you're doing with poi, just play with how the rocking of your body can control the poi instead of your arm. Wherever the poi is, it can be at your hip, and it can just be swinging your hips will pull the poi around. Right? You're reaching out here. It's just that swaying does the work for you. And what that's going to do is that's going to make when you play poi, it's going to come as an expression of your entire movement instead of just an expression of standing there with your arms, which feels good and it looks nice and it's a lot of fun. So, I'll talk more about that in the coming weeks, but just make sure in the beginning you're really playing with that. Loosen up, move from here, move from your hips, move from your legs. Relax, breathe, jiggy. You'll be glad you did.